Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing great. Today, we're going to create a calm and dreamy autumn landscape together. And yes, we'll be painting it all on a black canvas. So, get your brushes ready, take a deep breath, and let's enjoy this relaxing painting session. Imagine a peaceful waterfall surrounded by glowing autumn trees, warm golden leaves reflecting the gentle light, and misty air drifting through the forest. That's the magical moment we're going to capture today. I'm starting by gently dabbing some white acrylic paint with a dry sponge to create the brightness of the sky. Because our base is black, this white layer will softly glow and set a beautiful contrast for the rest of the painting. Now I'll mix a soft, matte combination of dark green and a hint of blue to form the background trees. Using the same sponge, I lightly tap the colors onto the canvas, creating that distant, misty forest feel. I tap in some autumn leaves, not too detailed, just enough to suggest the texture. This keeps the depth natural and lets our eyes focus on the main parts later. Next, with a fine liner brush, I begin shaping the thin tree trunks and delicate branches peeking through the foliage. These subtle lines add structure and help guide the viewer's eye across the painting. Now, it's time to create the rocky area where our waterfall will flow. I mix dark brown and lighter brown shades to give depth and natural variation, then shape the rocks by brushing in the general forms where I want them to sit. To show the raised edges and textures, I add a touch of white to my brown mix and softly highlight the rocks. This step brings them to life and gives a three-dimensional look. Each time, I add a hint of yellow or red to the mix. It keeps the rocks from looking flat and gives a more natural, warm glow. Now I mix white, blue, and a bit of black to get a soft, bluish-gray tone. I gently wipe off the extra paint from the brush using a towel. This way, the strokes stay light. Then I softly dab around the rocks to create the misty water spray from the falling water. Using the same color, I define the main shape of the waterfall. Just simple downward strokes for now. Later, once it dries, I'll add highlights to give it more movement and sparkle. For the base water area, I blend shades of deep turquoise, gradually lightening as it moves forward. This gives a sense of depth and calm reflection. To make the foreground rocks pop, I increase the contrast, darker shadows, brighter highlights, so they appear closer and more defined. With a small round brush, I carefully add thin streams of water flowing down the rocks, showing how the waterfall spreads and connects to the pool below. Now I use a very light touch to paint tiny ripples across the surface. This gives motion and life to the still water. It's time for the front trees, my favorite part. Using short, gentle strokes, I build layers of bright yellows and oranges, sometimes mixing in a bit of red. The dabs should sit side by side, not overlapping too much, to keep that fluffy autumn texture. Now, under the big front tree, I paint a dry bush. It might seem small, but it adds a unique charm to the whole composition. I use delicate strokes and soft color transitions to bring it to life. Next, the strong tree trunks in the foreground. They really ground the scene. I paint them in deep brown tones. Then I add thin branches with a fine liner brush and paint a few delicate leaves over them. Then gently highlight one side to give them depth and strength. Now, I scatter fallen leaves across the rocks, starting with dark tones and gradually layering lighter colors on top. It gives that crisp, cozy autumn feeling. There's a large rock near the water's edge. I add bright highlights to its surface, then softly paint a few more layers of leaves resting on it. It becomes a natural focal point that draws the eye. With a few last touches, gentle highlights, tiny leaves, and sparkles of light on the water, our autumn waterfall scene is complete. I truly hope you enjoyed painting along with me today. Thank you so much for spending your time here. Your likes, comments, and shares mean the world to me. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next video.